Alright, so PCl3, same process as before. Always want to start by calculating the total number of electrons. Phosphorus from the periodic table is going to have 5 valence electrons. One chlorine is going to have 7, but there are 3 chlorines, so we're going to need to multiply that by 3. And so our total number of electrons is going to be 26 electrons. Step 2, pick which atom goes in the center. It's going to be the least electronegative atom, so that's going to be our phosphorus. And then you draw the 3 chlorines around it. Step 3, draw single bonds between the center atom and all of the terminal atoms. So that means 1, 2, 3. Step 4, subtract out all the electrons that you just drew in those single lines. So that's 2, 4, 6 electrons that you have just used. So you have 20 electrons, which are going to be your dots that you need to start putting on the outside atoms, your lone electrons. In other words, the electrons not involved in the bonds. So always start with the outside ones first until they have their octet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you have now just used 18 electrons, so we're going to subtract that out. And then any remaining dots, you have 2 left over. Those go on the center atom. Any leftover dots go onto the center atom right on top of that phosphorus. Last step, check to make sure everybody obeys the octet rule. Each chlorine has 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons around it. The phosphorus has 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons around it. Everyone has obeyed the octet rule. We have used the correct total number of electrons, 26. So this is our final Lewis structure.